Initial diagnostic of FG60POH. The problem appears to be this. This is the Valvetronic, but initial look at your oil and the dipstick, there's nothing in there. It's a litre between the top and bottom, and it's just about touching the bottom. So I'm going to put a couple of litres of oil in before I do anything else. Just put 2 litres of oil in the car. Let's dry this off. Hang on. So that's dry. And now we've got oil. Right, so continuing, I've changed this and actually didn't make any difference. So now I'm trying to inspect where this interacts on. That seems okay. So now I'm actually doing a compression test. So before I put the jump leads on, compression number 4 is it's about 90 psi, which is low. It should be around the 160. I'm going to try it again though with the battery boost on. Right, this time we got 100, still low. Compression number 3 is 140. This is number 2, and the compression is about 55 psi. That's exceptionally low. This is compression number 1. Now that had oil around the spark plug, and that will have dropped in, so that will increase the compression test because of the oil, but we're on 130 there. So in summary, number 1 we're on 130, 50, 130 and 90 to 100. So very, very low compression, particularly on number 3 and number 2 there.